Hi guys and welcome to the channel, and today we're going to be making a peanut butter flapjack. Do subscribe and do share. Anyway, we'll get on with the video. The ingredients for the flapjack is now on screen. Right guys, the first thing you want to do is put your butter and peanut butter into a pot. Then add in your golden syrup. Now we're going to pop that into a microwave for 3 minutes on full power. Right, there's your bowl. Now this has got the sugar already added into it. So what you do is you add your sugar with the oats. And just give that a good mix round. Right, that's ready. Like that. Make a well in the middle, like that. Now we're adding in all the ingredients from the microwave. Remember, this is very hot. And then all we're going to do is mix in. We're even mixing this around for about a minute. Get it all in. All you need is a 30 by 40 centimetre tray and some baking paper. Let's put that straight onto the paper. What you're going to do is press this out. Remember, this is still hot. Get your small rolling pin. Right guys, this is now ready for the oven. Baking temperature is around about 375 to 400 Fahrenheit. And this will be in there for around about 15 minutes. Right, the flapjacks are ready. Hi guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and share. Do check out the description below for the recipe. Also, if you've got any comments, leave them below the video as well. Anyway, see you again in the next video. Laters!